In this video, we will go through all the steps needed to start an online store with Shopify. So let's get started. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create and run your online store. With Shopify, you can sell physical products, digital products, or both. It provides everything you need to start an online store, from website hosting to payment processing. To get started with the Shopify, go to the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button. You can start with a $1 trial. After sign up, once you have created an account, you will be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Next, choose a theme for your online store. Shopify offers a wide range of themes that can customize to fit your brand. Choose a theme that suits your business and provides a great user experience. After choosing a theme, it's time to add your products. In the Shopify dashboard, go to the products section and click on the add product. Add a title, description and images for your product. Make sure your images are high resolution, perfectly match your brand, and then set the pricing and shipping options. Repeat this process for all the products you want to sell. Once your products are added, it's time to set up the payment and shipping options. Shopify offers various payment gateways such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe. Choose the payment methods that suits your business and that suits your best. You can also set up shipping rates and shipping zone for your store. I have told a detailed video on how to set up a shipping rates and shipping zone. You can check my video. I will put that in description as well. With all the above steps completed, you are now ready to launch your online store. Before launching, be sure to check all the details such as product description, pricing, shipping option and gateways. Again, I created a detailed video on how to set up the shipping option and payment gateways. You can find the link in the description. So once you are happy with everything, hit the launch website button in the Shopify dashboard and then your website will be live. And that's it. Starting an online store with Shopify is easy and straightforward. With the right theme, product selection, and payment and shipping setup, you can launch your online store in no time. If you want to increase a high conversion, if you want to increase your sales or convert your store into a high converting store, you can check my detailed video on this. I have put the link in the description also, so you please do check that video as well. At the end, thanks for watching this video on how to create an online store with Shopify. If you have any question, please leave a comment below so I can answer your questions and I can help you definitely on this. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this.